It's wetter. It's moist. Oh, I'm not going to be able to stop with that word. Revenant darling, can I have some help? You don't have to get in front of the you don't have to get in front of the camera. I just need you to go around the computer table and take this and get me some flour out of the bucket. It doesn't need to be a specific amount, but I'm not wasting these gloves. So just a scoop of flour. There we go. Thank you, thank you. Go. And then we do in the squish and the squish. This smells really good. Okay. Thank you, Revenant. I'm just going to add a little more flour because my meatballs are probably a lot wetter than they should be. Again, I haven't made this recipe before, and you're supposed to use ground meat. So this is not gluten-free. There you go. That's starting to look more like actual meat. I wonder if I have any ponzu sauce in the fridge, or do I need to make some? There we go. That should be good. That'll make it hold together better. I'm making meat donuts, everyone. That's what this is. It's a meat donut. Yes, it has flavor. There we go. That's looking better. You think if I keep kneading this, it'll turn into like an actual dough ball, which would be entertaining. I really want to see what happens if I do that. You know, if I like make a meat slop like this, and then I keep adding flour to it, and maybe like some baking powder or something that would make it rise, and just keep kneading it until I get an actual elasticy dough out of it, and then bake it. What do you think would happen? There we go.